How to add and switch between multiple accounts on Facebook. If you're trying to log into multiple accounts, first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook application. And once you land on your home page, all you have to do is simply head over to the menu icon at the top right. Just tap on it. And once you land on the menu icon, right beside your profile, you'll find the switch option, the circular option, and also you'll see the drop down menu. Click on the drop down. And now from here, you can switch to different pages and profiles. So you'll see an option that says log into another account. If you already have another account added to your Facebook, you can just tap on it to log into another one, or you could just create a Facebook profile. From here, you could choose a personal profile or a public page, and then click on next. And after doing that, you can use your Instagram's profile info. I'm skipping it for now. Enter your profile name and then click on continue. Now from here, click on create profile and you should be good to go. So that's how you add and switch between multiple accounts on Facebook. I hope this was helpful to you guys and I'll see you on the next one.